Swimmer Josh Kirlew says his devotion to Jamaica motivates him to participate in local events. The British-born athlete made the comments while competing at the Carl Dalhouse meet over the weekend, where he set a new meet record of 25.18 seconds in the 50-meter butterfly, replacing the old mark of 30.99 seconds. He also amassed 45 points to top the senior male category.
Everyone's always telling me like, Josh, well done. Everyone's telling me like how good I am and how much I love the sport. And it's just a constant reminder of why I do what I do. Because I love swimming and I love Jamaica. So naturally, this puts both those things in hand.
The 26-year-old Kirlew, who is aiming to be one of Jamaica's medalists at the Central American and the Caribbean Games in Santo Domingo this summer, expressed satisfaction with his performances thus far.
So far, PBs all around. I'm a very happy man about that, considering I'm kind of in the middle of the season as opposed to the end. And if I'm doing PBs where I am now, with little long course training back home, I'd say I'm very happy.